What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Rematch on your PC. So the first step is of course open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we can go to the official Steam website and we can compare the games on price base. So we will go to the Steam website, and after that we will quickly search up the game Rematch. So now search up the game, then scroll a little bit down and you will see this game starts at €24.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is go to the link in the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now for the next step we will need to search the same game Rematch, and after that you will find out that this game is a bit cheaper than on Steam itself. But what you will do is you will purchase this key, this Steam key. Now click on it, and as you can see we can already purchase this Steam key for just €18.23 instead of the price on Steam itself of €24.99. This is how you save yourself a bit of money while downloading games online. And it is completely safely, so you will receive the Steam key by mail. After that you can use the Steam key to activate this game in Steam and then play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!